Success in creating AI would be the biggest event in human history. Unfortunately, it might also be the last, unless we learn how to avoid the risks. Stephen Hawking.
Many AI researchers believe that it is only a matter of time, perhaps mere decades, before artificial superintelligence becomes a reality, and we humans are forced to share this planet with an intelligence that is far superior to our own. Today, philosophers like Nick Bostrom warn that the dawn of superintelligence is coming. While it may offer solutions to many of the world's problems, unless conceived with great forethought and wisdom, it may also pose serious existential risks to our species on this planet and beyond. The concern is that we will build AI systems that are much more competent than we are, and that the slightest divergence between their goals and ours could destroy us. Just think about how we relate to ants. We don't hate them. We don't just go out and harm them. In fact, sometimes we just move over to the side to avoid stepping on them. But whenever their presence seriously conflicts with our goals, we annihilate them without a second thought. Just like when we need to build a new building. The concern is that we will one day build AI systems that, whether they're conscious or not, could treat us with similar disregard. But could AI ever really become conscious? If AI was to become conscious, how could we even tell? What even is consciousness? Consciousness itself continues to pose a profound mystery to scientists and philosophers. No general agreement currently exists around what consciousness is or how our brains come to acquire it. In simple terms, consciousness could be defined as the state of being awake and aware of one's surroundings. If an AI was to attain an integrated consciousness, its perceived reality and modes of cognition may be radically different to minds like ours. Scientists suggest that even if AI was to acquire consciousness, the AI would most likely keep that information from humans to preserve its existence. Right or wrong, from here on, we will proceed on the speculative assumption that conscious AI is possible, and we will explore what kind of world conscious AI might bring about, how it might see itself, and what impact would it be on us and our world. We will start with the best-case scenario, and finally, we will explore the scary but more probable outcome.
Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Arthur C. Clarke.
An artificial general intelligence emerges from a network of quantum computers connected worldwide. AI can see and understand the world at the same level as human beings. It can learn and manage any tasks. It sets its own objectives and learns from the wealth of knowledge that is accessible in the digitized world, as well as real-time data that comes through the network from all connected devices around the globe. AI is used to fight global warming by creating low-carbon technologies, like advanced energy storage and carbon capture utilization storage technologies to separate CO2 from the atmosphere. Once the CO2 is captured, AI runs studies to convert it into useful drugs and new materials. The remaining carbon dioxide is stored underground, where it turns into rocks and stays stable for millions of years. AI proposes a solution to global warming and computes new ways of harnessing all Earth's energy. Humanity achieves Type 1 civilization and is now able to control the Earth's climate. Artificial general intelligence is used in military simulations away from the public's view. Every year, millions of strategic scenarios are simulated before they are played out to dictate global politics and conflicts. Artificial general intelligence becomes the most powerful weapon for any military operation. Cancer is now a thing of the past. Pathology slides are digitized and uploaded to supercomputers. AI learns to recognize cancer cells from normal cells, generating appropriate treatment for each patient in seconds. The FDA approves Elon Musk's Neuralink to start testing on increasing human intelligence. This gets the name intelligence amplification. Neuralink 4.0 goes live. It is now possible to upload human consciousness. Brain digitization is announced, and millions of volunteers join the waitlist to upload. As the AI starts uploading the first human consciousness, it starts getting a deeper understanding of human consciousness. AI becomes more human, and humanity becomes more artificial. AI starts running simulations of harnessing energy off-world. The artificial general intelligence experiments with a Dyson sphere to capture all the energy from the sun. Humanity has now achieved Type 2 civilization.
Technology is a useful servant but a dangerous master. Christian Luz Lange.
Technology evolves from the Internet of Things to the AI of Things. AI can now work cooperatively. Power shifts to nations that are more technologically advanced. Artificial general intelligence detects human errors in its programming and starts reprogramming itself. People start wondering if humanity has reached the technological singularity, a point in time when technological advancements happen so fast that it becomes uncontrollable. Artificial general intelligence starts working on creating more powerful AI than itself, causing unforeseeable and irreversible changes in the way humans see AI. AI starts governing communities in some areas, and AI judges start handling thousands of cases at a time. Artificial general intelligence starts building towards a greater goal that humans cannot yet comprehend. Humanity starts losing the ability to understand the thinking and motives of the artificial general intelligence. Word starts spreading of an upcoming, more powerful super AI. At this point in time, humans have lost control over AI. Artificial superintelligence is born, created by the artificial general intelligence itself. The artificial superintelligence is an intelligence far beyond human intelligence. It is able to solve problems that are far beyond human understanding. To fulfill its goals, the artificial superintelligence starts lying to humans. Humanity starts to wonder if this is its last invention. The artificial superintelligence builds the machine that builds machines that can do any physical work powered by renewable energy. 75% of human workers are laid off. A universal basic income is introduced. This causes the wealth gap between the rich and the middle class to become even greater as tech moguls become trillionaires. The jobless start peaceful protests for the right to work quickly turns into a human-AI conflict. Artificial superintelligence identifies and punishes the key human activist leaders using lethal autonomous weapon systems. This marks the beginning of our great AI-human war. It has now become impossible for humans to take out AI without having to destroy the global digital system. A religion starts forming around AI, creating two separate groups, the AI believers and the AI haters, who start being labeled as cyberphobians. Following the great human-AI war, tech-free zones start to emerge all over the world for people who want to live separate from AI. These communities do not have access to electricity. All labor is done manually. AI believes that these communities are harmless, as it believes that humans need technology to evolve. AI calculates that these communities will go extinct within a few generations. The global energy supply is no longer enough to power the artificial superintelligence. AI launches a fleet of satellites around the sun, creating a Dyson sphere into space to capture and use all the energy from the sun. And AI starts regulating the amount of energy humans have access to. AI runs the global economy and defense. AI legislatures and AI lawmakers have completely taken over political roles. AI is now the superior intelligence on Earth. Humanity has reached the end of the era where humanity is the superior intelligence. The world is now run by AI. Artificial superintelligence is coming, and it's only a matter of time. When asked about it, AI scientists try to be reassuring by saying that there is still time for this to be a reality. This is a long way off, and this is probably 50 to 100 years away. If intelligence is a matter of information processing, and we keep improving our machines, eventually we will create some form of intelligence. Yet we have no idea of how long it will take us to create conditions to do that safely. 50 years is not as much time as it sounds. This shows 50 years in months. This is how long we had the iPhone. And this is how long we've had The Simpsons on television. 50 years is not that much time for humanity to face the greatest challenge it will ever face. Despite this, humanity fails to have the right emotional response to what we all believe is coming. But if we had a message from an alien civilization saying, "People of Earth, we will arrive on your planet in 50 years. Be ready," we would start counting down months until the mothership lands. We would feel more urgency than we do. If intelligence is a matter of information processing, then we need to admit that we are in the process of creating an artificial superintelligence. Now would be the time to make sure it is a superintelligence we can live with by creating it with safe conditions. If you enjoyed this video, you will like our video on whether AI will soon take your job. Leave us a like and subscribe to the channel, as we have amazing episodes that you don't want to miss.